Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every time I post a video. So today we're trying something new, and a few months ago I tried to incorporate or to do different dishes, wild cuisines, different dishes, whatever my mind tells me. So I started off with a Korean dish, and so now I want to try out a Ghanaian dish because for some reason Ghana has been fed into my mind right now. I won't even lie, and I think Wodemaya and Miss Trudy have a lot to play in that because I consume their content a lot. So I've been hearing Ghana at least a day. So I just decided to try out making fufu, and I want to try out plantain fufu because I wanted to try it out earlier, but for some reason I couldn't. It's around 4 p.m. and I really want to get started. I didn't start this video right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, hi, hello, how are you doing, wherever you're watching from, for whatever time you're watching this from. Machi, Maha, Majo. I tried looking up something about Tui or Ghana because that is what I'm doing today. Let me just go start making the dish. I don't have a mortar and pestle, but I will improvise. About the stew, I don't have like chunky meat, but I think I will know what to do. And another thing, I'm celebrating 100 subscribers. I'm just celebrating 100 subscribers because I just hit 100 subscribers last week. Yes, I hit 100 subscribers last week, and I'm happy because these are the things that build me. These are the things that fill me up with motivation, and keep doing whatever it is that you're doing consistently, and you will see results. And so yeah, right now it's road to 1,000 subscribers and at least getting monetized, and oh my goodness, so help me God, so help me God, so help me God, the God that lives. Hey Jesus, amen. I am speaking it out because there is power in the tongue. There is power in the tongue, and those who love its fruit will use it. That is a Bible verse. Anyway, let me get into the cooking real quick because I don't know how much time it takes, and it's my very first time. I don't want to eat supper at 10 p.m. because I really don't know my way around this. So that's why I'm starting at 4 p.m. So yes, let's get started. So I'm ushering in my 8th month in my new hair journey. I'm learning a lot of things and I'm getting to share. So don't forget to check my video on how I braided my hair, this hairstyle that I currently have in the video. The link will probably pop up around now. 20 minutes, and I think they're ready. I've already checked one, and it's quite nini, so I'll leave it for 2 minutes, and then imeiva, yani it's ready. Yeah. This is how it looks. It smells weird. I think it's because I have boiled it. It's quite sticky. I mean, it's sticky, very sticky. It's quite hot. I think I'll just wait for it to cool down kidogo. I want to remove the skin and see. Yeah, wow. Looks weird. I don't know. I hope I have not overcooked it too much before the pounding starts. I think I will start preparing the stew, but let me grate the things. Let me grate them because I don't have a blender, so I'll have to. Did you know that you can grate your garlic and your saumu, kitungu saumu? Oh, garlic and saumu is the same thing. Your garlic and your ginger using this side. Did you? And it will be like you've blended it. That's what I usually use. So I don't have a blender, so I need to start blending this tomatoes, the onions, ginger, and everything else. Those are the only things actually I think. I'm really trying to think because it's mincemeat, and I'm really trying to think what will make the food more fuller because it's mincemeat. You know, once you boil mincemeat and you add soup, it's just flat. So yes, I'm thinking about that. I used a soda bottle that made me feel like I was I was in the middle of a scene of a Gods Must Be Crazy movie, and then I cleaned up a part of a hardwood table, and I used that as my mortar. Hey, to be honest, it took a lot of energy. I pounded the fufu for like 1 hour straight. Funny enough, there's like a dish called mokimo, ya waru, and dizi. And I really thought it would turn out to be as that, but it did not. It turned out to be a different taste, a really different taste. And also I tasted a little bit of the peel, like it was a bit bitter because I boiled it with the peel, I think. And also the spiciness and the tasty stew complemented the taste, so I didn't feel the bitterness at all, at all. Salt, curry, sorry, onion and garlic powder, and then there's roiko, and then I've pureed everything, every single thing. This is onion, sorry, this is tomato, onion, garlic, and ginger. Is my fufu. I don't know what happened. It's very sticky. I tried pounding it, but I think I don't know. I don't know what to expect. I don't know how the original looks like in real life, but this one is mine.
C'est house style family sound.
We've come to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. And immediately after this, I was so sleepy, which rarely happens these days. Oh my goodness, I felt so good. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you haven't. And also, if you know how to make this dish, or if you're a Ghanaian, let me know how you think I made the dish. Until next time, bye.